So you must be wondering, after all, what we will do with these keywords. Let me tell you. Actually, we have to develop the content of our website or the content of various web pages around these keywords. In other words, we have to intentionally embed these keywords in the content of our website or the web pages. But the question is why? Because it will help the search engine to find out your website when someone is searching for your website by using these keywords. So one question is usually asked, from where all these keywords will come, or what are the sources of these keywords? So now let us discuss what are various sources of keywords. So primarily, there are 4 types of sources to find keywords for your website, and these sources are you, your customer, your competitor, and various keyword suggestion tools. Let us discuss them one by one. The most important source of finding keyword is you and your business. You know more about your business than anyone else. Just note down every detail of your business, like name of the business, name of the brand, product name, and so many other details about your business. After this exercise, you will find good number of keywords. The second source of keyword is customers. Your customers know better what keywords are they using while searching for your business or product or services through the search engines. Here you have to listen to your customers. What are they talking about your brand? What are they talking about your product or services on various social media platforms and internet? Further, you may also organize informal discussion and talks with your customers to arrive at the list of important keywords. You may also conduct a small survey, maybe on the payment basis, to know more about what words they associate with your business. Perhaps it will give you the more insight of your business for website development purpose. Another source of keyword is your competitor. It's often said that your competitor is the best source of keywords, if it is there. But the question is, how can I know about various keywords my competitor is using? There are many tools for this purpose. I will discuss these tools in Module 10 of this course, when we will discuss about search engine optimization. Just to begin with, scan the website of your competitor and analyze it for keywords and prepare a list of these keywords. You may also use few tools like Screaming Frog, Site Analyzer for website audit purpose. After preparing the list of important keywords suggested by these tools, make sure your website must contain all these keywords. If not, then get them in the order. You may also use very sophisticated tools for keyword suggestions like Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends, Keyword Shitter, Google Search Console, Suggestion Keyword Finder, Word Tracker Scout. Let me tell you briefly about these tools. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is primarily used for Google Ads. However, this tool can also be used to identify keywords for your website planning as well. Keyword Planner is a free tool by the Google, which shows the average number of searches on a given keyword and suggests related keywords which users are actually using in search engine. Next is Google Trend. Google Trend is a platform of Google that examines the popularity of search query in the Google search across various regions and languages. Then we have the Search Console, which is used for indexing of websites. It also offers analysis of keywords as well. Suggestion Keyword Finder. Suggestion Keyword Finder is another very simple tool to get ideas about keywords. It has 3 levels, which help in finding the long phrases. Then we have the Keyword Shitter. Keyword Shitter is very simple tool to get keyword ideas in bulk on seed keywords. Lastly, we have the Word Tracker Scout. Word Tracker Scout is a Chrome extension and can be used to find important keywords from your competitor's site and to check the relevancy of these keywords. I have just given you the overview of various keyword selection tools. How these tools work and how to use these tools to identify various keywords for your website, I will explain all these things in module number 10 in a very comprehensive way. By the time, I advise you to think about the theme of your website and start preparing a list of various keywords representing your theme of website.